you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video here on the channel today, boys. For today's video, I am very excited because honestly, I'm finally gonna get you motherfuckers to stop commenting dechrome your front end. Jesus Christ, the amount of comments I get on every single bloody video showing my front end. The only thing I'm gonna be dechroming in today's video is actually this front grill kind of piece, and honestly, if you guys didn't know, this is like this bit just alone to replace it, boys, it's about 20 grand. It's made out of like proper plastic, boys. And you know what, for today's video I'm actually gonna be spray painting it black because you know what they say, if I ever get into an accident, black don't crack. If you take offense to that, I'm aged and I can't really tell what race you are anyway. Right, so this car has actually got a lot of chrome on, you know. It's obviously got the front fog light ones, we've got the front grille, we've also got the chrome on the black alloys. Genuinely, right, this chrome, bitch, it's staying no matter what anybody says, because honestly, look at the chrome on this. It is honestly like the gold chain to the wrapper, honestly. Having a black one, it doesn't even stand out. So the logo, being chrome, looks sensational. Boy, it looks sexy. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think I'm being stupid for not dechroming my whole car? I think it needs a little bit of chrome. I'm only dechroming the front, like, grille, because I think that looks sick. And also, I'm actually getting some eyelids for my car. Honestly, boys, I want the eyelids to match the front grille, you know? So hopefully that's gonna look sick, and that'll be my next video. Right, boys, so what I'm gonna be using for today's video is Plasti dip. And if you guys didn't know, this is peelable paint. It's like a banana. So obviously what's good about that is obviously you can, if you don't like it, firstly, you can peel it off. And secondly, which is the best reason, is if you ever come to sell the car, you know, you want the car to go back to factory, it's obviously sick that you can peel it, and it's just like a normal paint. It looks like paint. It's a bit of a matte finish, but I think you can get like glossy clear coats and stuff for a Plasti dip. To make this finish almost as good as Lamborghini paint, honestly, boys, we are going to use obviously the Plasti dip itself, an all-purpose cleaner or some sort of cleaning some isopropyl alcohol, and some plastic bags just to cover my ugly mug, and also to cover up all the bits that we don't want spray painted. And last but not least, something you don't really need, but I'm kind of hungry, some bread. Your boy gets hungry while doing this shit. Alright then, boys, so the first step I've actually already done, and that is shove plastic bags to basically cover the radiator from getting any paint on. I'm not sure if you have to do this, but I'm not a car guy, so just better to be safe than sorry. It's gonna find its way through these little shitty holes. This is used for aerodynamics for this 85 brake horsepower car, I mean 350 brake horsepower car. So obviously that's gonna go through there, and it's gonna go on the radiator if there's no plastic bags there, but you know, just for, you know, a little precaution, I've just put plastic bags there. And obviously the next step we need to do is prep this little chrome bit. You know, it's got a lot of fingerprints on, so we're going to use some all-purpose clean to get that off, and then we're going to use some alcohol just to get any grease off, and then it's going to look sick. Right, so now that that is clean-ish, you know, it's not 100% perfect, you know, we're going to hit it with some isopropyl alcohol. So right, now the chrome is all done. Alright then, so the next thing that I did was obviously make a little DIY coronavirus mask for my car. Joking, obviously I just used plastic bags to mask off any bits that I didn't want spray painted. A bird just shit on me. A bird just shit on the car, and it just shit on me. Honestly, my car looks like it is ready to fight the Congo virus. Jeez! Look at that. So we've got plastic bags all around, you know, where we're gonna do. We've got a little bit of, you know, lip to peel it away. Right, so we're going to put on like 6 coats or 7 coats of this Plasti dip because I want this to last as long as possible. And obviously the more coats you put on, the more thick it's going to be, the more durable it's going to be. So we've got the Plasti dip, having a dip right here, and honestly I'm jealous. Ready? First coat, boy. that is actually going to be my first coat. Extremely light. Okay, alright then boys, it's been like, you know, 2 minutes, so next coat. Here is it so far. There's a little chip in it, but that's from the chrome being chipped. But yeah, here's the results so far. It's not completely black yet because we haven't put enough coats on, but yeah, here it is so far, and we're gonna start putting on thicker coats now. Fucking great. Now we have to wait for like 15 minutes. I'm really fucking bored. I know this isn't to do with the videos, but look at my wheels. They look absolutely far as fuck. I mean, look at the brake calipers. Jeez. We're on the 4th coat now, and you know, obviously looking a little bit darker, but we're gonna keep on going. Yo, it's looking like a Lamborghini paint. Jesus. Looks sparkly and crystally. Jeez. I think we might be on the last coat now of the Plasti dip. Literally, I've used the whole can. So here is what it looks like right now, and obviously once you get to the end of the can, it starts like spitting paint. So this is definitely going to be the last coat because it's literally like empty. Here it is right now. We've got a little bit of like shit here. It looks like it's peeling almost. Right, so now, right, what we'll do now is we'll leave this for like 20 minutes just to cure, you know, so we can set, and then it'll be easy for me to peel it off, and genuinely very happy with the results. Very excited to see what it looks like. Let me go inside, have a wank, and I'll come back. It should be 20 minutes. It's all dried now, and I've taken off all of the paper and the plastic bags. Now we are just left with a car that looks like it's been eating booty. What have you been getting up to, mate? Get it off, all you do is literally this. And oh, look at that. Honestly, that's some porn right there. Look at that. Jeez. Finally done, and as you guys can see, it came out honestly beautiful. What are you saying? Honestly, I'm very happy with the results. I've got the bonnet up right now because I've removed the plastic bags. Mate, that looks so good, and especially with the eyelids that go like here, that is going to tie in so nicely to them. Kind of looks a bit funny now. It looks like it doesn't even have like a front.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste.
This has made my car certified booty licker. Honestly, look at that. Geez, probably shouldn't be doing that, but you know what? That looks fucking sick. Fortunately, that is all for today's video. Obviously, we've dechromed this, and honestly, it looks sick. Once we've got the eyelids on, it's going to tie in so nicely with that black grille. I'm almost very tempted to put them on right now, but obviously I want to save it for another video. But yeah, honestly, truly, I'm actually very happy with it. Did take all day to do, however, you know, the finish, you know, the logo's a bit messed up right here, but, you know, I could even pick that off, but I'm just gonna leave it. Alright then boys, just to finish this video off, I thought I'd show you guys some before and afters of the CORSA going from a reflective and nice chrome to the motherfucking Batmobile, bitch. I would actually prefer like a glossy, you know, like a Dunkin' Donut kind of style grille, but black. But obviously, I'm not sure how to get it, you know, glossy with Plasti dip. And obviously, I didn't really want to spray paint it like permanently. So yeah, unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did end up enjoying this video. You know, if you guys are planning on doing this yourself, it's very nice. But yeah, that is what it looks like. So for the final, and honestly I can't wait to get these eyelids on. So stay tuned for the next video. see that. Honestly, I think it's going to go in so nicely with the grill. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of my results, you know. Obviously I didn't dechrome anything else, you know. I think it actually looks really good, like that dechromed but that chrome. Fortunately, that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Anyway, follow me at the _OtherStuff if you did enjoy, and also subscribe if you are new. If you didn't end up enjoying the video, don't subscribe. But yeah, from me and the car, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you love faces in my next video.